Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Matter Lesson 10. Today on our 10th episode, we are going to be looking at how to create monthly budget actually work. Yes, many people create budget, but very few stick to them. Why? Because budget is either unrealistic, too complicated, and not aligned with real life. A budget that works is simple, practical, and disciplined. Today we'll talk about how to create a monthly budget that actually works and help you control your money. That's what comes in at the end of the month. Now, know exactly how much you earn. Before you plan spending, you must know your total monthly income. Talking about your salary, what they pay you at the end of the month, business income, side hustle, or any other additional support that comes to you as income. The salary, let's say for instance, if you earn the salary of 200,000 naira, side hustle of 50,000, and that gives us a total income of 250,000 naira that comes to your account. You cannot plan a working budget without knowing your true income. Track where your money is going on a monthly basis. Most people are shocked when they discover where their money goes at the end of the month. Write down all your expenses in one month. Example, your rent, your food, your transport, electricity, data subscription, school fees, family support, entertainment. You cannot fix your finance if you do not track your spending. You must track your spending. Now you have to separate your needs from your want. Remember, we talked about needs and want in our previous episode. A budget work when you prioritize need first. And need comprises of rent, food, transport, school fees, utility. And then when you look at want, we're talking about eating out, expensive clothing, unnecessary subscription, impressing people. Many people struggle financially because they treat wants like needs. You need to separate them. Need is very essential. Now you have to use what they call use a simple budget formula. A simple rule many people use is 50, 30, 20 rules. Remember, we talked about 50% goes to your needs, 30% goes to your want, and then your 20% goes to your savings and investment. Now let's draw our example too. You earn 250,000 naira. 50% of the needs will now be 125,000. Then the want, which is 30%, 75,000. Savings stroke investment is then 50,000 naira. You have to adjust to enable you track your spending. And that brings us to next. Pay yourself first. Before spending money, save first. Even if the money is very small, example 10,000. From 10,000 you can increase to 20,000. From 20,000 you can increase to 50,000. The habit of saving matter more than the amount, the mindset behind it. Create a spending limit. Decide how much you can spend in each category. Example, food. You can decide to say, I will spend 40,000 for food, depend on your family size. Transportation, you can use 25,000. Data subscription for a month can go for 10,000. Family support, you can decide to give at 20,000. Once the limit is reached, stop spending. Discipline makes a budget work. Don't put yourself under unnecessary pressure. And then again, review your budget every month. Your budget should grow with your life. Every month, ask yourself, do I overspend this month? What can I reduce? What can I add to save more? A budget is not punishment. It is a tool for financial control. Next, avoid budget killers. Mm, These are things that destroy budgets, borrowing to maintain a lifestyle, impulse buying, trying to impress people, poor financial discipline. If you remove these things, your budget will start. Yes, the budget will start working. Conclusively, a budget works when it's simple, realistic, and disciplined. Remember these things. Know your income, track your expenses, prioritize your needs, save first, set a spending limit, review your monthly expense of income. When you control your money stop controlling you. Thank you so much for joining us for this episode. If you need anyone that wants to